Hi guys, today we're going to talk about a software, or actually you can call it an RDP or a remote software or your desktop software that you can hide your identity. You can use multi-account and you can use proxy for free. The software name is, you can see, you search on Google for Gologin and click on the first ad will come for Gologin. Click on Gologin and this website will appear. So you can directly click on download and click here to download. Anyway, it will pop up the download window. Obviously it started downloaded, but I have downloaded the software, so I'm going to show you next. Their pricing is very high for some people, or for professional people is okay. The professional plan is $24 a month. Then the business plan is $49 a month. The enterprise is $99 a month, and custom, if you want a custom individual plan for any task and team of any size, is going to be $149 a month. However, if you click on download on this corner, it will start download again automatically anyway, but there is an option here, try free trial for 7 days. So okay guys, as I said, you can register here. After downloading the Gologin, you can register here with your email address or any portable email address, and if you have an account you can sign up here. Log in here, login. Okay, so you click on login. So they're gonna create your first profile here, just like this. You can rename the profile here, profile 1, or any name. If you have a Facebook account, different Facebook account beside your name, you can rename the profile name under this name, just like this. And initially you're gonna click on run to check what's going on. You can see our profile run, and it also offering us to buy the premium plans anyway, and our default apps also installed along with this. So initially this page opens. Let's see our .net score, and you can see it's 100% authenticate, but actually it's using my own IP. So we are going to close it and close this one as well, and let's use some proxy, free proxy from Gologin. Let's see how it works. You can click on this one, add or paste proxy, and you can use their free proxy, free US, free Canada, free UK, Tor US, Tor France, or you can use Tor network proxy, or you can use their free proxies. Let's try the free Canada proxy and let's see how is. Actually we are gonna try free USA proxy. And one more thing we have to confirm here, click on this three dot and click on settings. There are several things we have to confirm, like we are using free proxy United States. Time zone, we have to select time zone. Is saying fill time zone based on the external IP. If you click on this, it's not gonna work. You should always select the time zone. And extension, if you wanna have any extension, like I had this extension pre-installed, so let's remove this WebRTC. You're gonna either disable or alter. Geolocation, I think you should just keep it as it is. And on advanced settings, you have to do some settings. Screen resolution you should change, because it's going to show you small screen, at least 1920 1080. And English US, the language, you must select this one. And the most important thing is, like, you click on do not track. That's it. That's basic setup. We're not going to go more deeper than this. Let's see if the free proxy works. If it doesn't work, then we have to change the proxy again. Okay, proxy worked, but it gives us 90% discuss, and it's saying little remarks. Let's see what happened. Because we are using web proxy and system time is different. Time zone is American New York, and here is GMT plus 0. So we have to change the system time zone. Let's change the system time zone. Time zone New York. We have to select it again. You can just type here New York and then save, run the profile, and you can see hopefully this one will give us 100%. You see now our discuss is 100% with the free proxy, free software and free everything. You can use your CPA network or facebook.com or any other network and keep it separated from your account. And you can create new profile name and proxy. Of course free proxy is going to be free. If you have proxy, then you select your own proxy. Initially we're going to use free proxy, free US or free Canada. Let's use free UK. United Kingdom, and time zone of course is going to be London, United Kingdom, and we have RTC. Let's keep it like this. Geolocation, let's keep it blocked. And advanced settings, we have to select do not track. That's the important thing. Who are checks. And create another profile. Let's run this one. And oops. And you can see our discuss is 100%. So this way you can use, you can call it free RDP or free browser, incognito browser or whatever. Basically it's a privacy browser. It's not tracked. Everything you do here on this browser is private and separated from your computer files and everything. No one can trace you easily here. And guys, that was today's video. If you like this video, please consider subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Take care.